Hello my dear PUC warriors, welcome back to our channel Lakshya Karnataka. Today I am here to give you all fixed questions for all the chapters of PUC Maths. Okay, so again, if you follow all these questions, if you solve each and every problem, you can easily score out in mathematics. That much is a surety. Okay, let's try and check what I have brought for all of you today. Let's see sir. So first thing first, in this session we'll see for all chapters as per blueprint. Again, as per blueprint, we'll see the fixed questions. When I say that, I mean that let's say 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker, 4 marker, 5 marker, 6 marker. Okay, means from what chapters how many questions are coming, we'll see all of that. And before I begin, let me show you all about the chapter ITF, a simple chapter, straightforward, formula based. If you know the domain and range, these are the list of your MCQs. Yes, so I have taken, as I mentioned previously, I have taken in the fixed questions MCQs also, not just the 2, 3, 5 markers, but also MCQs. And the question that you see over here will be very, very helpful if you solve each and every one of them. Trust me, solve all these questions, then you only will see that your preparation is actually going pretty well. Okay, so these questions that you see are of the right mix from your model papers, from your question bank, from your previous year questions. All is taken into the consideration. ITF MCQs are over here. Next, now before I move on to the other chapters, I want to tell you all the special offer is going on for all the programs that we have right now, for all the courses. KCET crash course offer is extended for 2499. You can take the crash course because boards is about to be over in 1 week and we have to get back to the preparation of KCET quickly to take the crash course of online KC30 right now. Lux, if you are somebody who likes to enjoy or who actually understands better in offline classes, then for all of you, we do have Lakshya KCET offline crash course. Offer is flat 3000 rupees off in the total of the crash course fee. ABHYAS KCET test series is available with a price drop of 999. So take the ABHYAS KCET test series right now, and we have to start practicing questions right after your boards are over. We cannot waste time. So take whichever you feel that is your need at this point of time. You can enroll right now. Link for all these will be given in the video's description. Moving on, sir. Now these are the questions from, again, MCQs are there. Have a look. Some of you keep asking me some statement based questions, so we have statement, assertion, reason questions over here as well, and then 2 and 3 markers from inverse trigonometric functions. If you move on, you find more questions which is solving the equation over here. This is again equation based questions. This is expression based questions. So those are the two categories in ITF. Okay, now in relation and function, again the list of MCQs are over here. See, I have added some extra questions also. What we did in pre-boards, I have gone ahead and added more questions which will be helping you to score 80 out of 80 in your finals. If you solve all these questions and learn all the concepts through these questions, then yes, you can score out of out. Okay, moving on. Again, statement based questions are included over here. Check this out. So these are a list of questions in 2, 3, 5 markers from the chapter. 1 5 marker will come guaranteed from this chapter, relation and function. So do not forget to follow that. Next, continuity and differentiability. The weightage is 17 marks. There will be a 5 marker on the second derivative. There will be a 4 marker on the continuity or differentiability. Definition based questions, and there will be 3 MCQs over here. Right? There will be 3 1 markers over here. 3 1 markers, 1 5 marker, 1 4 marker is there, and then 2 3 marker of course. So these are a list of questions you can see. Again, MCQs continues. You still have statement based questions. This is the fill in the blanks, and you have 2 3 and 5 markers as well. You can see PYQs are there, and question from the question bank also have taken. All the varieties have been considered over here. Okay, so please have a look. 2 3 5 markers here and here. Do not worry, I hope you've all joined the WhatsApp channel. You'll get the PDF right away in the WhatsApp channel. Okay, integration, you check. Again, over here you have 2 MCQs. In this you have 2 MCQs. So if you want to solve question of MCQs of integration, learn all the basic formulas and substitution method. Of course, some questions on the definite integral can also be asked. I have taken them here as well. You can see a question on definite integral are also included. Yeah, it's here. Please check. Okay, so these are the MCQs. I know I've taken more questions in the MCQ side because we cannot, there are many concepts in integration. That's why I've taken more questions, because I really want you to all get those 2 marks in MCQs of integration, because we have to score out in MCQs first. Okay, these are the list of questions, 2 and 3 markers. Please check. In 3 markers, by parts question will come, either this or maybe cubic in the denominator or quadratic, which is not given as factors. You have to factorize that. This is a 6 marker question. I hope you can see this section E. Okay, again, this category I was talking about, 3-factor method. All right, so then by parts question can also be asked. So these are the questions that is there. This is a by part problem. Okay, this also is a by parts problem. These are PYQs also. So have a look. These are very, very important and fixed questions from the chapter integration. The 5 markers will be your proof of particular functions. You can see again 6 marker is a proof of a property of definite integral. Okay, moving on. Matrices, again in this property based question, definition based questions in the MCQ side, and in the chapter you'll get a question on the multiplication property, whether it is associative or whether it is distributive property of matrix multiplication. A times of B plus C. Those questions keeps coming us, keep coming to us. I'll show you. I've taken over there. Yeah, property based problem is there. 4 marker question also comes over here. So 4 marker is guaranteed. A property based questions is guaranteed in the matrices chapter. Okay, so please follow these fixed questions in matrices. Okay, great guys. Properties, definitions, and 5 marker can come in the property base. Associative or distributive law can be asked, and in 4 marker a simple question can be asked from determinant. This is also very important concept, skew symmetric and symmetric matrix. Okay, this is a 5 marker, and this is a 3 marker actually. Okay, moving on guys. 2 marker question. This is again a if it comes, it'll come for 3 mark or 4 mark. This is again a 2 marker. Okay, moving on. Determinant in this chapter for MCQ straight away you can follow what? You can follow your properties of determinant. Directly they can be asked. For example, I can show you. This is a property based question. Okay, many of these are property based question. Directly you can see the properties for MCQs, and in 5 marker determinant there will be a matrix method to solve linear equations that will come, and 4 marker determinant will come for finding inverse. Section E, the alternative of continuity question in the C and D. Okay, this is the proof of the property A adjoint A times of adjoint A times A, determinant of AI. Again, questions are taken from MCQs, model question papers and your question bank and PYQs. Okay, all right. These are the questions that is coming for 3 marks and 2 marks on the collinear point properties. Yeah, and area of triangle. Okay, sir. Probability, there will be a question of 3 marker in base theorem. There will be 3 MCQs over here, beta. So please don't forget, 3 MCQs are coming from here. So you have to solve MCQs. MCQs will be solved either on the will be given either on the independent event properties, or they can will be given on the basic definition of probability. Okay, means probability of an event, whether it is a toss, coin toss problem, a die problem, whatever it is. Okay, even odd problem. All right. So questions are listed over here. This is the base theorem question. Have a look. Okay, so this is again 3 method problem. So solve these questions also, very, very important. And I want to remind all of you, I will come with a class in which I'm going to solve all these questions in detail. So if you're asking me, sir, this is a question list, where's the answer? I'm going to come in a live and solve all these questions in detail as well. So wait for that session. I'll let you know more in the comment section and in my upcoming classes. Okay, next, again a question in the probability. Statement based question in probability, and keep going on. A problem in the base theorem. You can see both of these are problem in base theorem. In AOD, again there are 3 MCQs beta. Here also we have 3 1 markers. There are 3 categories. The question can be asked in any of the category. 3 marker question will come from here. There will be a 3 marker question from here as well. So that will be either on increasing decreasing function, maxima minima, or rate of change of any particular quantity. Okay, rate of quantity change. Okay, so again I have listed all the questions you can see over here. Rate of change question also listed over here. Yeah, increasing decreasing functions are listed over here. This is rate of change. Okay, yes, continue. So these are the questions on the AOD chapter. You have to solve all of these. So likewise in this chapter, again over here also we have 3 MCQs to be expected in our 1 marker in our boards as per the blueprint. Okay, so this chapter also becomes very important, but good thing is that from this chapter most of the questions that is coming are straightforward, directly formula based or concept based, so we can all solve all the questions from this chapter. Okay, so you can see again fixed questions of all the chapters. Vector algebra is there. If you carry on, if I show you quickly, check for LPP, I have given MCQs. Now I know you will say that, sir, why are you giving MCQs? Because MCQs are not going to come from this chapter. I know, but I'm telling you, to solve the questions on this, you should know the basic definitions, basic understanding of this chapter. That's why I've taken the MCQs to help you revise those questions. So even though these questions will not come, not a fixed question, but this will help you understand the chapter better. So please solve these MCQs also in LPP. Okay, of course I have taken the graph questions as well. You have to solve the graph questions for 6 markers. Differential equation, again we have given you, I've given you the fixed questions in the MCQ side. In the LDE there will be a 5 marker linear differential equation, 5 marker question will come, and a small question will come on variable separable method. So do not forget to go through that, go through all these questions. Okay, here are the 5 markers of differential equation chapter. Next, in 3D again MCQs are there, and you have direct derivation is also there. Okay, the Cartesian and the vector form, straight line passing through a point, that particular concept. Yes, all right, so these are the list of questions. As you can see, I don't have to show you all right now, but yeah, I have made sure that all the questions of all the chapters which is important, that will help you score out of out in mathematics, has been taken care of in this session. So go ahead, download the PDF right now and start solving the problems. And again, I'm repeating one more time, I will come with a class where I'll solve all these questions at one place. I'll help you understand all these problems at one place with the hint, with the solutions also. Okay, so this is the end of this class. I'm not gonna take a lot of your time. Simply download the PDF, get the access to all the questions, start solving. You have time, no excuses, start solving all these questions. Okay, and for PYQs, I've already told you, I have given a class. It is long, I know it is a 9-hour class, 10-hour class, but in that session I've solved all the chapters PYQs, okay, at one place in one video. So go ahead, watch that session. You don't have to watch the entire class. Whichever chapter you need to watch, just watch that particular session and move on. Okay, so this is the end of your class today. In this session, I talked about fixed question of all the chapters, PUC Maths. To score out of out in mathematics is the easiest subject, and you can all do that together. We'll do it. Okay, any other help you need, let me know in the comment section. This is it for this particular class. I'll see you in the next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.